So there's a lot of videos out there on speed painting goblins, but I find they never really make the army pop in the way I like. So I put together a quick one of my own, which hopefully will help some people make some really standout goblins for the tabletop. And we started off by giving all the skin a base coat of Iraqi sand. For the next step, we use Army Painter's green tone, and we give the skin 2 washes. The first one will give us a nice shade and a highlight, and the second one will really push that shade and give us a decent base coat at the same time. From here we use a really bright red to add a nice level of contrast to the model, and I like putting this on the tips of the noses and the ears, but anyway you think it's a bit bright and could do with some more contrast and colour to it, add a little bit of red. If you want a goblin with rosy red cheeks, there's no reason you can't do it. After I was done with the Vermillion, I went back in with Iraqi sand and painted in the teeth. At the same time, I added some burnt umber to the palette, then used that and Iraqi sand to paint in the extra details I wanted on the model. I probably should have done this after I painted in the cloak, but this is the way I painted it for the video, so I'm sticking it in that order. Using Camo Black Brown, I painted nothing but the recesses. If you still have some burnt umber on your palette, you can mix it in with the Camo Black Brown to give you a very light shade to go on top, but this isn't necessary if you're speed painting a lot of models. Now I have all our base colours down, we can use washes to add depth to them. Using black wash and khaki wash depending on the area, I just gave it a coat over everything. For the final step, I painted in the belt buckle using plate mail metal from Army Painter. If you enjoyed this tutorial and would like to see more, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you would like to support the channel, there's a Ko-fi link down below. Donations aren't expected, but they're very gratefully received and they help me do more for the channel and put up more videos. Thanks for watching.